Good morning.
Buenos dias.
Welcome to another edition. This is Josh.
This is Vicky.
We're a couple of nomads coming to you live here from Russafa here in Valencia. The Russafa neighborhood is one of the trendiest, hippest, coolest neighborhoods in Valencia. So today what we're doing is Valencia and about 11 galleries here in Valencia have put together the very first art walk. We are going to take you guys on a quick art walk. After the art walk, I think we're gonna head down towards the beach. There's a really cool spot where they have some music, live music today, in a really old, cool building, kind of a multi-use building, where they have some food and drinks and some live music. So stick around, here we go. All right, we're at our first stop here. It's like a full work press.
Little doggy. Oh, is that a dog? I think that's not a dog. Is that a donkey? Horse? What's a dog?
Hi guys, thanks for stopping by and watching this video. If you could do us a huge favor, hit that like button. It only takes a second. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and write us a comment below. Just say, I subscribed. We want to have a conversation with you. So let's continue with the video. All right.
That was our first stop.
First stop down. You feel a little rushed because there's so many people standing outside that, you don't want to be the American jerks that are just in there for too long. But some pretty cool work.
I do think there are still quite a bit of foreigners, but it's such a nice feeling that when things been locked and we weren't really able to do much, and now it's like kind of feel like experiencing thing in the city, and then there's especially the local art and little shops, so it was really cool.
So we're going to the next place. We're right around the corner. All right, we're here at the second location, as you can see here. Looks like now there's about 30 people in this line. So this is gonna be slow moving, guys. We may have to bail.
We kind of have to like peek to see, do I want to visit here?
We're bailing. We're moving to the third one. It's just around the corner anyways. There's 4 of them here in Russafa, but everyone's just clamoring to get out right now and interact with someone, some people, make a connection.
Oh yeah, we've been locked just so long. It's just been going on just too long.
We have the strictest rules in all of Spain here in Valencia. All right, we made it to the third one, just around the corner. This is called the Renaissance, or the RW Project, Renaissance Women. So this is one of the founders, maybe over here, of the walk. All right, guys, we have made it down.
We're here.
We're here. As you see behind us here, we got the beach. We're gonna hit that up here in just a little bit, but first, we're gonna get over to this place. This is the Fábrica de Hielo, and they have music, and it's kind of an old warehouse they've turned into something cool. So let's go check it out. the grand finale of the concert.
All right, chicos. We just sat down. Ooh, it's a little bit chilly in the shade, but we can sit inside because of the capacity. There are enough people in there. Oh, it's like our friends.
We're stuck outside.
Yeah, we're stuck outside. But we got our drinks. So salute. We ordered some pizza and salad.
We'll show you when it gets here.
Alright,
And then green pesto.
Our first round of pizzas here.
Because there's like a construction.
And salad. We got some salad. Broccoli and ham. What is that?
I think it's asparagus and
Asparagus
tomato.
So some combinations. I've never had broccoli on pizza, nor asparagus on pizza.
Black bean is my favorite.
Salad. Ensalada.
Really? I think I tried to.
We found a table inside. It's really windy and cold out, so look how cute and mini these pizzas are.
They're too small. We're probably gonna need to like eat like a 5 of them.
Rackets.
Broccoli, here we go.
Called Maynard's. Maynard's.
Strange but good. I mean, I wouldn't go out of my way to order broccoli and pizza, but
I think it's some Asian philosopher or Indian.
the struggle is real.
It's chilly,
It's windy.
and Josh is wearing this one summer shirt. It's crazy, guy. This one.
Can you see my nipples? They're hard.
He's
Oh, God.
not even wearing a jacket.
Oh god. It's windy. There's a breeze.
This guy's crazy. Yeah, I told you not to wear that, just the one shirt.
She told me before we left, "Are you sure you're gonna be warm enough?" I was like, "Yeah, I'm gonna be warm enough." And then she was mad at me for 20 minutes. Now here we are, I'm freezing.
Yeah, no, you should have listened to White.
She's always right. On a taxi!
Yay! What is happy to see us?
Hi!
Hi. Oh.
All right, guys, we are home here with the puppy. We hope you enjoyed the video.
The dog is going crazy. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe and let us know what you think about the video.
Hit that like button, also hit that bell, and we'll see you on the next video. Until then, adios!
Adios.